Plag Mincha today will be at 6:45. Bisman Mincha will be 8:20. Tomorrow morning we're davening at 6:10. Now for a very quick Devar Torah. This week's Parsha opens up with Aaron cleaning out and preparing the Menorah for the use of the day. And he would have to do this pretty much every day. So the question comes up, very simple question. Why does Aaron have to do this? He's the high priest. He's the head guy. Can't he delegate to one of the lesser Kohanim, lesser priests, that they do this? And the answer is the Torah is making a very specific point. When you're in a position of leadership, as Aaron was, some things you don't delegate. We're not an elitist group. There are some people who have authority, others who do not. But even though you might be a leader, it doesn't mean that you can't get your hands dirty. Being Jewish, we like to say that Judaism is not a spectator sport. You have to get involved. So Aaron is getting involved in the daily operation of the Beit HaMikdash on a very basic level. He's setting the stage for the others who will be coming in so that when they go to do their jobs, everything is ready, which is an important lesson for leadership for us. That a leader leads by example, not by just saying do this and then ignores everything else. So just something to think about, Kaddish Rabbanim.